Hey beloved students, how are you? Excel Tuition welcomes you, and now let's enjoy the story Lalu and Pilu. There was a hen. There was a hen. Hen. She had two chicks. Chicks. Lalu and Pilu. Lalu and Pilu. Pilu. Lalu was red. Red. He loved loved red things. Things. Pilu was yellow. Pillu was yellow. Yellow. One day Lalu saw saw something something on a plant. Plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili. Chili. It was very hot. Hot. Lalu's mouth started. Started burning. Burning. He screamed. Screamed. Mother hen came running. Mother Mother hen came. Came running. Running. Pillu came too. Pillu said, I'll get something for you. Pillu brought. Brought a yellow laddu. Laddu. Lalu gobbled. Gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped. Stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed. Kissed Pillu. So now we will read this whole entire lesson again. Lalu and Pillu. There was a hen. She had two chicks, Lalu and Pillu. Lalu was red. He loved red things. Pillu was yellow. He loved yellow things. One day Lalu saw something on a plant. It was red. He ate it up. Oh no, it was a red chili. It was very hot. Lalu's mouth started burning. He screamed. Mother hen came running. Pillu came too. Pillu said, I'll get something for you. Pillu brought a yellow laddu. Lalu gobbled up the laddu. His mouth stopped burning. Mother hen and Lalu kissed Pillu.